So first of all, good morning to all of you. So this unit 2 is about our earth, and here in this unit we will deal with mainly origin and evolution of our earth. So origin, evolution of earth, about the interior of the earth, then different geographers and their theories like Alfred Wagner, continental drift theory, plate tectonics theory. Then in the last part of it we will discuss about earthquakes and volcanoes. So it's like this chapter, our unit second, the earth constitutes 3 chapters. Chapter number 2, chapter number 3 and chapter number 4 of your textbook. So this unit is a large unit. We will move one by one, starting with the first chapter or chapter 2 of your textbook, this unit first chapter. So first chapter from this unit, the earth, and in this chapter we will study about the origin and evolution of earth. Okay, is it clear? So earth basically is a part of our solar system, and sun is a star which is a part of our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, and our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, is a part of our universe. So while studying about the origin and evolution of earth, should we start from the earth itself, or should we start from the very beginning, from the time of origin of universe itself? So this chapter actually deals with the time from where our entire universe or entire our system, the earth is part of which, evolved. So it's like very beginning, from the time of Big Bang itself, from the time of the event through which the universe is origined. We will try to analyze and try to understand about how this entire universe firstly started evolving. Then we will try to understand about how different galaxies has been formed. Then we will look into the origin and evolution of different stars. Especially our focus point will be sun, and then we will see about our solar system. So detail of our solar system. So our solar system, its evolution, its origin, how different planets formed under solar system, then natural satellites of planets. So our earth natural satellite moon. So about the moon we will study about the moon and details of that, how moon evolved, how that is origin, and how it is rotating around the sun, what are the relation there. Then lastly we will enter into the origin and evolution of earth. So origin and evolution of earth here means different type of floras and fauna over the earth system. It's like different species on the earth system. And lastly we will look into the evolution of, before that even the evolution of earth includes firstly evolution of lithosphere, that is top layer, crustal part. So actually earth was a ball of fire when it broke out of the sun, and then with time lithosphere formed first. Then after lithosphere different type of gases evolved, like the evolution of oxygen, nitrogen gas, and different type of gas. Nitrogen and oxygen is the prime gas. Then how different gases will be produced over the surface of the earth, and in the last part we will study about the origin of life on the surface of the earth. So this sort of thing we need to study in this entire chapter. That is from the origin and evolution of universe. We will start from there. Throughout the journey we will look how different galaxies and different stars has been formed. Then we will enter into our solar system, different planets, their satellites, and in the last part our earth. How lithosphere formed, how different gases evolves, how first species evolved, and later on the origin of life in the form of different species, and finally human evolution. And then after this chapter we will enter into the world, today's world, different countries including India. So this is the way we need to study. In between, this is the thing of geological time scale. In short, I want to explain it at the beginning itself so that you can compare it. In short, it is the division of time into different eons, era, period, epoch and year. So last column, that is the column in the rightest side, is it visible? It is presenting. Please confirm students.
Yes, sir.
चलिए ठीक है. So last column, that is this column. This is all about the year. So it's like year from now, like from present, that is like back from the present. It some year 10,000 years before present, then 2 million years before present, and so on. And this is like last table is about the life and major event. So this I am telling from the page number 18 of your textbook. So during that time, what happened? Major event during that time, like 0 to 10,000 year back from present. This is the time of modern man. What it means? It means that modern man evolved over the surface of the earth 10,000 BC. So from today, it's like 10,000 before present is the evolution of modern man. Before that, that was also the time of human being itself, but that is like Homo sapiens, more like a apes, more resembles like gorillas. So modern man 10,000 BC, and before 10,000 BC up till the time of 2 million before present. 2 million means 20 lakh year before present. That is the time of Homo sapiens. Then go more beyond 2 to 5 million year ago present. From the present, that is the time of early human ancestor, ape. So ape is like here, but थोड़ा सा वही वाला उसी का एडवांस वर्जन. एग्जैक्टली नॉट लाइक दिस गोरिलाज और मंकीज, बट ये जो टाइम पीरियड है, दिस पीरियड this one 10,000 to 2 million year ago, that is like modern apes. So बंदरों में भी अगर हम हमारे ancestors में जाओगे, so it's like modern type of monkeys, and this is current human being. So modern man. Before that, 2 to 5 million year ago, it's like human ancestor, early human ancestor, Adi Manav and these people. Then before that is the time of ape. Then 24 to 37 million year ago from present is anthropoid ape. Then rabbits and hare. Then small mammals. So it's like, देखो ये 37 to 58 million year ago from the present, that is the time rabbit evolves over the surface of the earth. Before is the time around 65 million is the time when small mammals like rat, mice, these things evolved. Then 65 to 144 million year ago is the extension of, this is the time of extinction of dinosaurs. And 144 to 2808 million year ago from present, that is the age of dinosaur. So dinosaur khatam hua 65 से 144 million year ago from the present. And before that, before 144 to 208 million year ago, or before from present, is the time of or age of dinosaur. Before that is the age of, it's not like age, before that is the time of evolution of frogs and turtles. So this way, this entire things, this entire journey is there. And this journey started with origin of universe. And that was the time of 13700 million year ago from the present. So that is the origin of universe. Origin of sun around 5000 million year ago. Then comes the evolution of ocean and continent. Firstly ocean and then continent. And before that is the time of atmosphere. So at that time, origin of sun के बाद जो अर्थ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर था, that is mainly that of carbon dioxide. Later on 2500 to 3800 million year ago, that is the time of evolution of first plant. So first plant in form of blue green alga. And before that, before this blue green alga is the time of unicellular bacteria. So formation of single cell bacteria are there. So first time single cell bacteria evolved during that time period. Then later on 505 to 570 million year ago, there was no terrestrial life. There was, in that time, there is a life in only in marine area. It's like in ocean. So marine invertebrates are there. Then first fish. Then amphibians, vertebrates, first reptiles, and so on. This way, frogs, turtles, then age of dinosaur, extension of dinosaur, and this is the thing. So it's like these major event with time with respect to today's time. So it's like before present. And this time period, that is the time like 0 to 10,000 BC, then 10,000 BC to 2 million year ago, has been given a different scale of epoch. So some epochs are there, like Holocene is the epoch of time period of 0 to 10,000 BC from present, before from present. Then before that is the epoch of Pleistocene, then Pliocene, Miocene, Oligocene, Ecocene. Actually I started this thing क्योंकि ये सारे words यूज होंगे ड्यूरिंग डिफरेंट टाइम स्केल, सो आप थोड़ा सा रिलेट कर पाओ. सो इनडायरेक्टली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट this time period is Holocene epoch, Pliocene, Pleistocene epoch. Then this is the time period of Pliocene and Miocene epoch. Then Oligocene, Eocene and Paleocene epoch. So it's like ये इतना टाइम पीरियड मिलके ये इपो बनाया, दिख रहा है. अब आपको थोड़ा सा मैं राइट लेके चल रहा हूँ. अब ईपो से भी बड़ा एक टाइम स्केल है. द नेम इज पीरियड. सो एज इज द स्मॉलेस्ट टाइम स्केल. एज से बड़ा टाइम स्केल इज बिगर देन एज टाइम स्केल इज ऑफ ईपो. सो इट्स लाइक बोथ ईपो ऑफ होलोसीन एंड प्लायोसीन. दिस बोथ ईपो टुगेदर is quaternary time period. Then tertiary time period is like these 5 epoch together. Then this entire time period is named with Cretaceous, Jurassic and Triassic time period. So these are periods. Then if you go back, this entire time age will be given the name of Permian period, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian period. So it's like this. These are bigger time scale than Epo. So period are bigger time scale than Epo, and Epo are bigger time scale than age. अब इनसे भी बड़ा देखेंगे. देखो और लेफ्ट जाओ. बिफोर पीरियड से भी बड़ा ईरा है, एंड द लार्जेस्ट इज इयॉन्स. So it's like this quaternary and tertiary together, they are known as, क्या बोला जाता है देखो, सीनोजोइक एरा. सो अगर हम बात करें इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑरिजिन एंड इवोल्यूशन ऑफ यूनिवर्स, द ऑरिजिन स्टार्ट्स विथ द बॉटम. यहाँ पे देखो ऑरिजिन कहाँ से शुरू हुआ है. ओह शिट, गिव मी 2 seconds. Origin started with the bottom here. Origin of universe, origin of sun, and it's like bottom up approach. We are seeing in bottom up way. This is the way to study. तो लास्ट में अगर आते हैं, लास्ट ब्रैकेट में, so in that sense origin of universe started with Big Bang theory, and there was a incident of supernova during that time itself, and then there is a origin of stars. So this all are like, this all area is like the origin of universe till origin of star. So this is not given any separate name, separate ion type of name. इसका नेमिंग भी नहीं किया. इट्स लाइक ये, इसको आपने नाम भी नहीं दिया है. देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक नेम गिवन टू इट. फिर जब इसके बाद आता, दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ प्री कैम्ब्रियन. तो ये कैम्ब्रियन जो था, कैम्ब्रियन के पहले वाला, दिस इज द कैम्ब्रियन पीरियड. सो कैम्ब्रियन पीरियड के पहले वाला जो टाइम था उसको बोले प्री कैम्ब्रियन एरा. And that is the time period of 570 million year ago from present till 4800 million year ago. So that is pre-Cambrian. Cambrian के पहले pre-Cambrian. And in this pre-Cambrian time period there is 3 eons: Hadean, Archean and Protozoic. So Protozoic is around 570. So Protozoic is like around 570. ये वाला यहाँ से बिगनिंग हुआ है. Protozoic is around 570. So 570 million year ago from present. और 570 के बाद क्या होगा, उससे कम होगा, 560, 550. This way the age will reduce. That is the time of Paleozoic, and Paleozoic is like 245 to 570. Then Mesozoic. So these are era. So there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4 era. This is not given, this is not named even. So there are 4 era. Pre-Cambrian is also not like a era. This is like time given to pre-Cambrian के पहले वाला. So Cambrian period के पहले वाला जो भी समय है उसको pre-Cambrian बोला. So mainly 3 era. 3 era includes Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. And there is only one eon that is even bigger than era, and that eon is Protozoic eon, Archean eon and Hadean eon. So this way entire geographical time scale कि एक साल को, एक ईयर को, कैसे एज को आपने कैसे देखा, हाउ ईयर्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू ईपो, एंड ईपो से बड़ा यूनिट कौन सा है, पीरियड का, दैट इज 2 और 3 ईपो, or more than 2 or 3 epoch combining will form one time period, and more than period is like era. 2 or more than 1 or more than 2 time period combining is called era, and eon is the largest. All the students, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
And what happened during what time? This is like what is happening during what time. Later on I will tell you that formation of Himalaya is tertiary mountain, tertiary and quaternary mountain. So formation of Himalaya is here only. And North Indian plains are even after the formation of Himalaya. तो समझ सकते हो, this way we need to study about all these things. So you have to compare it. Gondwana rock, which time period? Cretaceous type of rocks are they. These are Cretaceous type of rock, this time period. Then Jurassic time period, before Jurassic. Then Carboniferous type of coal is also been there. 2 type of coal is there. Different type of coal varieties are there. So one is Carboniferous coal, other is Cretaceous time period coal. So these are the coal formation time. So it's like during that time huge amount of plants get buried inside the earth, and that now converted into coals. So this fossil fuel is from this time period, this and this. So this is the geographical time scale. It's not a simple time scale. And what is geographical time scale? It's a time scale over which geographical event took place. Some change in geography take place. And these all are the evident or example of change. Different time, different thing is happening. Starting with origin of evolution, origin of universe, origin and evolution of universe till modern man. So today's time. So this is all about the geographical time scale. Never confused if such words are used in between the chapters. So you have to correlate it. That's why I explained it at the beginning कि आपको confusion ना हो. Now I will start with our chapter. So today I will not start because time is about to up. I will just briefly introduce certain things. From the next class we will start this chapter. कोरिलेट हो रहा है ना, आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो, एंड यू मस्ट हैव योर नोटबुक ऑल्सो. आपको ये सब चीज़ अपने लिखते रहना है, ठीक है ना? द थिंग्स विच आई एम सेइंग, और बीच बीच में मैं जो डेफिनेशन बता रहा हूँ, यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो बचपन से ही ये चीज़ आपके दिमाग में रहता होगा, सबके दिमाग में रहता है. जब आदमी जो रात में जब स्काई की तरफ आप देखते हो, व्हेन यू लुक इनटू द स्काई यू सी दिस ट्विंकल स्टार्स. एंड बचपन में पोएम भी पढ़ा होगा, ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, रिदमिक पोएम इन योर नर्सरी क्लास और क्लास 1. सो ऑलवेज देयर इज नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विच विल कम इन आवर माइंड, लाइक कि ये है क्या, व्हाट आर दीज आर स्टार्स. आंसर्ड गिवन बाय पेरेंट्स और समवन एल्स, योर brother, senior sisters, your cousins. Then natural question arises that what are they, how did they came into existence, why they are shining, can one day we will reach there. Certain other type of stories are also told by the parents, like आपके ancestors जो हैं वो कभी डाई किए थे तो वो they reaches there and they become star. आपके ग्रैंडफादर, उनके फादर. देन अनदर क्वेश्चन जनरली अराइज इन आवर माइंड इज दैट कि इज वी आर एबल टू रीच देयर, Can one reach there and meet their ancestors according to that mythological story? कि हम जाके अपने ग्रैंडफादर या उनके ग्रैंडफादर से मिल सकते हैं क्या? Maybe many of such questions are still in your mind. So we will try to answer all these questions कि ये आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं या स्टार्स आर समथिंग एल्स. हाउ दे साइंस, उनके ये लाइट कहाँ से है. ठीक है. How these stars were formed, how our entire universe will be formed. All these things we will discuss in this chapter, from the origin and evolution of universe till origin and evolution of life on the surface of earth. So all these things will be discussed in detail in this chapter. Is it clear? अभी भी है आप लोग के दिमाग में? Is you have any many questions? Yes or no? नहीं है, सब ऑलरेडी क्लियर है. ओके, वेरी गुड, सो नाइस ऑफ यू. So today I am stopping the class here itself because I also have to shift to some other class. Time is also about to finish. If you have any question related to today's class, you may ask.